Alright, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. So Luna Classic has been pumping previously, and a bear flag here got terminated, and yeah, there was some little bit of stop losses here. Alright, so the bear flag is terminated. The move to come down to 7916 has already been extinguished out. So it does look like Pepe, sorry, not Pepe, but Luna Classic found a new place of support, right? And I'm going to highlight this support down at 9,282. So you're looking for this as your new support level. You have previous, what was your resistance there. You can see that there got rejection, and then it popped to the upside, came for the retest, and then it moved to the upside. So whatever was rejection here turned into support later, right there. And then you had another touch here with the reaction back up, another touch right there with the reaction again, and then you had another touch and you popped to the upside. So that looks pretty much, and if you do hold this place here, if you don't really lose 9320, let's actually give it a new stop loss. If you do take out, let's say 8,572, then you could be looking for this move to the downside. But if you, however, make it all the way up to 12,916, this can actually give you another push up, and that's going to be maybe at 17,650. So this is where you're going to have that next level of resistance. So let's see what happens. One more thing is, I think there's still this resistance line right here for Luna Classic, and kind of looked like it really broke out of it. So this is quite good as well. So you're looking for, I mean, it's still there. So this is good. Yes, the progress here may be good, but I really have to pay attention to if this starts from here. Right, this actually looks to me like that. Okay, and a pop to the upside. That's pretty great. So yeah, something is good, right? You went down, came back up, rejection, went down, came back up, rejection, rejection here, rejection again, went down, rejection, you went down, came up, pop to the upside. It does look like a mini retest that did actually take place. Yeah, so if things are going to get good, I think you're looking for probably a move to this 12,916, and if you break above it, I think you're moving all the way up to 17,000 as well. So that's all for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.